Okay, what is that?
What's that?
This. What is that?
I don't know.
Dishwasher?
Yeah, a dishwasher.
What do we put in it?
Dishes.
Yeah. And what does it do?
It's good. It makes a sound.
It makes a sound.
Yeah.
Is that all it does?
Yeah.
Does it wash dishes?
No.
No?
It makes some sound and put dishes in it.
Okay. So why do we put dishes in it?
Because as you get water and it goes in this.
But why do we put the dishes in it? What does it do?
It makes some sound.
So we just put the dishes in so it makes a sound and then we take them out?
Yeah.
What does the sound do to the dishes?
I don't know.
Well, why do we put them in there?
I don't know.
I think there's water in there and it washes the dishes. Do you think it washes the dishes in there?
I don't know.
You don't know? Do you think does a dishwasher wash the dishes?
I don't know. No.
No?
It's not dishwasher dishes.
Who washes the dishes?
You.
That's exactly right.